So Ga, what is hydrologic cycle? Studied yan.
Hydrologic cycle.
Hi guys, this is Ucab, and this time I'm having a hard time about this topic called hydrologic cycle. So let me just find my friends to help me more about it. So karon I'm looking for someone to ask about hydrologic cycle. So nara, go.
Oh, unsa man go?
Unsa ganay hydrologic cycle kay go?
Hydrologic cycle. Sa ko lang nadunduan gawa. Hydrologic cycle is also known as water cycle. It describes the continuous movement of water on above and below the surface of the earth. So there are the processes of hydrologic cycle. First is the evaporation, condensation, sublimation, precipitation, runoff, then infiltration.
Sumuto go. First process is evaporation. So mangita ta karon og tao nga maka-answer ato about evaporation. So karon let's try to ask about evaporation. So Bao.
So, dali ra ng evaporation, guys. It is defined as the process by which water turns into a gas or a vapor. So, evaporation is the primary pathway that moves from liquid state back into the water cycle as atmospheric water vapor by transpiration. So, after evaporation, then condensation takes place. Condensation is the process by which water vapor in the air is changed into liquid water. Condensation is crucial to the water cycle because it is responsible for the formation of clouds.
So that was evaporation and condensation. So let's ask Nichole about sublimation.
So sublimation is the process where ice converts into water vapor. And sublimation is the phenomenon accelerates when the temperature is low or the pressure is high. So the next process after sublimation is precipitation. Precipitation is where water is released from clouds in the form of rain, snow, hail, or sleet. The clouds then pour down as precipitation due to wind or temperature change. This occurs because the water droplets combine to make bigger droplets. Also, when the air cannot hold any more water, it precipitates.
So guys, this time let's ask Acosta about transpiration and runoff.
So, transpiration, as water precipitates, some of it is absorbed by the soil. The water enters the process called transpiration. Transpiration is a process similar to evaporation, where liquid water turned into water vapor by the plants. Next is runoff. As water pours down in whatever form, it leads into runoff. Runoff is the process where water runs over the surface of the earth. When snow melts, it also leads into runoff. So guys, that's all about transpiration and runoff.
So nako sa level ko kinakon gusto po tanan about infiltration. So go.
Go.
What is infiltration?
Infiltration is the process by which groundwater from precipitation enters the soil.
So that's all guys, I learned something today and I hope kamupod. So that's it for this video and bye. Brat ka amiga.